Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to be doing a walk that has two Wainwrights in it, Knott, Rigg and Crags. So it's a really good walk to do for just like a little walk in the afternoon if your legs are a little bit tired but you think you can handle a walk. So the first Wainwright we're going to do is Knott Rigg. First things first is follow this path up to the summit. We can see rain down by Cat Bells, which isn't a good sign. It looks like it's heading up here quite fast, but we've all got our raincoats on, so we should be all right. That one's Robinson up there that we did yesterday in my previous video. Starting to spit slightly harder now, so yeah, it's been annoying, but Buttermere's down there in the valley, and that's One Dope up there, and Eel Crag just to the right of it. That's Crags in the distance here, so it's not too far. It looks like a while, but it's honestly not that far. We're at the top of Knott Rigg, 556 metres tall. Next one is Crags over there.
Okay.
That's Sail up there and Scar Crags just over there with a really good view over the Newlands Valley.
Tooth weight. Again, what a lovely cairn. Now we're just going to find a spot for a cup of tea and some snacks. We've had our tea and leave no trace. Back to the car now. We're just coming down the mountain and the rain has started to clear and the mist a bit too. So now there's quite a good view down the valley. So yeah. This walk is a really good walk to do, especially if you're not that experienced as a walker, because it's really good to get you into the swing of things in the Lake District. Anyway, the parking here is really good as well. It's free, but although usually it does get slightly full. But anyway, next stop is the waterfall. While you're up here doing these walks, the Moss Force waterfall is a really great place to visit. You can have your picnic here in the summer, and it's a really great view down the valley. Anyway guys, that's it for today. Thank you so much for watching. Please remember to like and subscribe. Bye!